Traditionally, industries with remote operations like oil and gas have relied on carbon-intensive and wasteful methods for obtaining metal components, mass-produced parts that need to be shipped to site. Today, there is a better way. On-demand, at-the-point-of-need metal additive manufacturing is the sustainable alternative producing the absolute minimum carbon footprint which modern technology provides. We help eliminate the 17% of carbon emissions linked to shipping. By distributing your MRO capability, in excess of 5.5 tons of CO2 can be saved per unplanned MRO operation. Additional benefits include reduced material waste and accelerated prototyping. Speed 3D's patented cold spray additive manufacturing technology allows for repair as well as manufacture of wholly new parts at the point of need, giving users the ultimate flexibility and control. The Speed 3D process consumes 33% less energy and emits 60% less CO2 compared to casting. Our machines are electrically powered, so have the potential to be powered using renewable or clean energy sources, further reducing the carbon footprint. Speed 3D technology is already field tested and proven by the Australian, UK, and US defence sectors. The static warp speed and mobile X speed models are designed for and ready to be leveraged by similar industries that work in tough, remote locations. We offer the expertise, knowledge, and cutting-edge solutions to support your existing and next-generation carbon reduction initiatives. Speed 3D, innovating metal part production for a sustainable and efficient future.